Choice in News Africa. My name is Crispin Tamba. Today I've got Ubaba Ncheskuza, veteran musician, one of the best in Zimbabwe. We want to talk about his latest offering. Ubaba
bakamkwena sicela zabakwena umhlobo omkhulu abanikazi bamanzi hayi ngiyalebuka ndoboka kwazo ukuthi ndibe nemi ko mundawo industry yedu sema legends mamukhaka ukuthi mubuzwe ne latest inokuya ilatest yagala iyapho agala kalo into but into khona lapha ngakutshela wona ilatest yami mina njengomuntu omdala angifuni ukuthi ngiginye ngiyabona ngingahlafunanga so ilatest bengiloke ngimile emeli yanga yaphuma kudala ilatest ithi yona inhlonipho is got 8 tracks ezinye ngezika Solomon sengize ngimixile because abantu babengasazazi yabona but inhlonipho it's all about ukuthi khona umuntu uhlonipha abazali bakho uhloniphe umani wakho uhloniphe umfazi wakho yedwa mawukhula kuthiwa charity begins at home inhlonipho kumele isukele khona phana empandeni lapho zalo khona wena ngathi ngihlangana lawo kumbe sihlangana kwendawo usudakwe njenguyako ukuthi mdala nza kukhohlwa ukhohlwa mina ungazothi nguchesi
imagine
mfuka nyama yathi mfuka sikhuza ubhula amathambo kwasho amaphepha la apartment ezinyanga oyisika zezona inyanga uyabe usulahlekile
one time
ngoba ungalahleka nendlela yikubona abantu abaningi they die young
exactly
because they don't have that reception of accepting ukuthi abazali bethu basifundisa lokho so kunjalo kumele abantu besihloniphe yinto ekhona enjalo kufanele abantu befunde ukuthi the elders basifundisa lokho nalokho so that sithole ukuphila okunaphakade naphakade mina lapha ngihamba khona ezabethi imfundisi hayi balethe imfundisi balithatha abane ngomeni lalethi harishanda ramasabata gandara kona kanaka mzimayi because I always sing ngezinto ezifundisayo bese besithi imfundisi uyafundisa abantu uma baleka lapha alele khona uyakwazi ukuthi umfana muchesi ngamfundisa kahle umtizwa ukhona uyaphila wonke mina izethu MC respected me ya respect uSolomon before from ezikuthatha ilizwe lathi safunda khona bani izinto eziningi and ungathi wena musician unga-inspire music kaSolomon ukuthi ufuna ukuhlabela njengoSolomon no come up with something but and then the rhythm ibe khona ebani yinto mina engiyithandayo because amaningi ama-artists nethola becabana kuthiwa ukopa i-beat yami umuntu lwana vele yena kazange ebe lo producer alright wamtshela wathi you are good because ureceive imali ungahlabeli into kaSikhuza ungahlabeli into kaNdukusi ungahlabeli into kaPaul Mathambo ungahlabeli into etebela kwena ungahlabeli into kaMacheso.
I think we need to also talk about let's start on we can just cut on that.
Yeah.
We talk